Training can be much more enjoyable and effective when you stay properly hydrated. Drinking water during exercise, especially for long cardio sessions or runs, has many benefits. Sports scientists have found that staying hydrated can significantly improve your workout experience and performance. When you drink water while exercising, it helps replace fluids lost through sweat. This keeps your body functioning optimally throughout the workout. Water also plays a key role in important bodily processes that occur during and after exercise. It assists with building muscle, stimulating fat burning, increasing production of growth hormone, and regulating stress hormones in the body. A study looked at how water affects endurance athletes during intense training. Researchers had trained athletes run on treadmills for 90 minutes at a challenging pace. Some drank water before and during the run, while others did not. The group that stayed hydrated reported enjoying their workout more than those who didn't drink water. This shows that simply having water available can make exercise feel more pleasant and manageable. Drinking water provides both physical and mental benefits for people working out. Beyond just replacing lost fluids, it acts as a mental boost that can make you feel more energized and positive during tough training sessions. Proper hydration allows you to exercise longer and harder while feeling better overall. Even after you finish your workout, drinking enough water helps you recover faster and feel more refreshed. Making sure to drink water before, during, and after exercise is an easy way to enhance your training experience and results. Bringing a water bottle to your workouts is a simple habit that can make a big difference in how you feel and perform.